Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can sign up in WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to get signed up in your WhatsApp or to create an account in WhatsApp, you need to first of all tap open the WhatsApp app. Once you open the app, you need to choose a language of your preference and hit the agree and continue button. Now enter your phone number and hit the next button as well. After you do so, your phone number will receive a verification call or a text if you hit the continue button and allow them permission. After this, a verification call will be given to your number, or you can even get an SMS where you can simply find the verification code which you need to type in and hit the done button. After verification is completed, you need to now permit WhatsApp to allow your contacts and media and simply type in your name for your WhatsApp account. So once you type it in, you need to hit the next button, and after the initializing process is completed, you have now been signed up in your WhatsApp, and now you have successfully created your own account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.